Wakenya 15 mawuok e kaunti ma Kericho yudo sir mar somo mar Sh7.6M. Sir mogol kod jaod bura mar kaunti no mar Kericho man mawakeni Beatrice Kemei kokale gwito omenda mar apisi jaod bura mar kaunti no Ngaf. Kane oloso kod jofwambo tok chiwo sir mar somo ne oywago kwan wakeni ma itamo dok e skul tok konyore ka okwayo oganda mondo omiyo sir wakeni go. Okwayo mondo omed kwan omenda michwalo e agulu mar Ngaf mabiro chiwo thuolo mar chwalo dongruok e kor gwenge.
Nikaomba shule Ksh7.6M secondary school na nikafanya interview nikafaulu. Sasa nitaichua ndiyo shule. Watoto mama analea. Sina shida na watoto nitasoma. Mama atalea watoto. Ni form 3 ndio naingia.
I have hopes that in 5 years to come or 3 years to come I'll be someone in future. I'm encouraging mothers like me who had loose hope. I stayed in marriage for around 4 years. I had loose hope. I'm encouraging mothers who are outside there. Please come out.
So if we have more allocation, and that is what we've been pleading for, I'm sure many will benefit from this program. And I will ask many other partners to help me. I'm really asking the NGOs and many other partners to help me support these girls as they go to school, as they go to universities, and I'm sure they will change their families. Education is a game changer.